Since coronavirus burst onto the scene, we're all finding that lots of things are moving online. This is really convenient, but if it is your first time using a Zoom meeting, there's a few things that you'll want to know. You can attend a Zoom meeting by downloading the app on your desktop or your mobile phone or your tablet, or you can also attend through a web browser link. I reckon the app is the way to go because it's got better features, which means you'll have a better meeting experience. You can do yourself a favour by downloading the app when you finish watching this video. It should only take about a minute to do. You can join a meeting by clicking on the link that you've been emailed. You'll be prompted to either open the Zoom app, or if you've forgotten to download the app and you're due in the meeting 3 minutes ago and you just want to get on in there, you can select Join by Browser. You can also join by opening the desktop app and selecting Join Meeting. When you're prompted, enter the meeting ID and the password that you would have received in the email link. So here we are about to enter the meeting. Select Join with Video and you'll be escorted through to a very snazzy virtual waiting room. When the host lets you in, you'll be prompted to connect with computer audio. Let's run through some basic functions. To mute or unmute yourself, click the microphone. To turn your video on or off, click here. To see a list of who's in the meeting, click on Participants, and to access the chat box, click here. If you like what someone's saying, you can give them a thumbs up. Or if you need some attention, you can raise a virtual hand. You can change between speaker view, which is where your screen shows only the person who is speaking, or gallery view, which shows everybody in the meeting. The basic etiquette in a meeting is generally to keep your video turned on at all times and your microphone off unless you're speaking. This might change from meeting to meeting, but your facilitator will let you know. If you find your audio or video is lagging or freezing during a meeting, try closing down any other applications that are running, and you can also turn your video off. This all helps to free up some internet bandwidth. Using a set of headphones with a microphone like these or these will make the audio far clearer for you and everybody else in the meeting. If you don't have a pair handy, don't worry, it's not a big deal. The inbuilt speakers and microphone on your device should do the trick. If your computer doesn't have inbuilt microphone and speakers, or they don't seem to be working, Zoom has a really nifty feature where you can use your phone instead. Dial the number for your region. If you're in Queensland, that's going to be the one starting with 617. When prompted, enter the meeting ID and participant ID or password. It will let you know when it's connected. Keep an eye on what you look like on screen. Try and have the camera at eye height if possible, because let's face it, up the nostrils is not anybody's best angle. For a professional background look that will instantly disappear any stray kids, dogs, or washing piles, you can select a custom background or upload one of your own. Click this little up arrow and select Virtual Background. Finally, try and join each meeting at least 5 minutes early so you can troubleshoot any tech issues before the meeting starts.